Okay, today we're doing a fitment on a, this is a BMW i4. This is the non-M Sport version. This one says eDrive 40, I think the 35, they're the same. This one is a 24, so the 23, 24 is same. This is 24 i4 eDrive 40 Grand Coupe. And this one, the fitment we're doing has the adaptive, or the camera, the sensor, the lens. It's on the driver's side there, the lower part of the grille, driver's side. So we're going to have to mount it off to the passenger side. And like all our brackets, these are all vehicle specific. This bracket will only fit this car.
Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove the two screws that are just left of center as you're looking at the car, or the passenger side if you're sitting in the car. So that'll be this one here. And we'll use our 10mm socket. We will be reusing these screws, but we'll be adding a spacer. So we're going to go ahead and take that one out. Then we're going to go ahead and take this one out. Again, like I said, we're going to be reusing these. So I'm going to grab my base plate. I'm going to put my screw through the hole, spacer on top, and start it. Then I'm going to go ahead and get the other screw with the spacer, put it into the hole, spacer on top, and start that. We're going to take our wrench and tighten them up. Always like to give each one a little bit of a turn just to make sure it's started. And then I'm going to go ahead and snug them down pretty good, as you can see. Now the bracket itself is going to be solid, but you will see you have a little bit of play in your bottom of your car, but that's okay. And then when the front goes on there with a pad, it'll be locked in real nice. And then all you're going to do is take your front, start it into the holes, pull your pull pin, and then just slide it in until it locks into place. There you go.
And there's where it's going to sit on your car because of the sensor, that lens on the driver's side. And then you just put your license plate on the front of the front plate and you're all done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.